Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Which of the following choices would replace the blanks below? If we observe, here we can see the pattern. So A A B B A A is the pattern followed in given example. Therefore, before A there has to be a B. So the required letters will be B, A, B, B, A. So first will be B. Then after A we have again a B. So second will be B. After B, there has to be one more A. So the third will be A. And then B, A. And the last one has to be B as well. So the required answer in the given blanks will be B, A, B. So answer is option C.